What are you doing?
I'm just collecting plants.
What are you going to do the plants?
I'm gonna cut and make a soup for you.
Soup for me?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Okay.
I finally got one. Hey, it's gone.
Okay, try again.
Eek. I've got it.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
And put it in here. Backwards. Now come on here.
Some more?
Yes, we need some more. And plants need some more plants, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I finally cut it. I finally got it.
Great job.
Now let's come.
Yes.
Oops, backwards.
Okay, enough. You can start cooking.
No, there's no over there in the edges. There's no here. Look.
Okay. You want some more?
Yes.
Okay.
Stop, statue. Release. Statue. Statue. Release. Statue. Really say சொல்ல மாட்டேன். என்ன போட்டோ எடுத்துரு நான் ஸ்டாச்சு எழுதின்னு சொன்னா நீ போட்டோ எடுத்துக்கோ.
Are you not cooking?
Statue.
Are you not cooking?
I am cooking.
Do it.
I am just telling you.
Okay, come.
Statue. What is that sound?
I don't know.
That's cat sound?
Yes.
Ah.
Okay.
There's still more.
That's enough. Now you start cooking.
No, there's no more here. In the edge, இங்கெல்லாம் இருக்கு edgesல இல்ல இன்னொரு edgesல.
சரி போய் கொண்டு வா போ. காரை லீஃப் கொண்டு வா.
Come on.
I'll wait here.
Come on. Take picture of me.
Yeah, come, let's cut it.
Now let's cut it. Let's cut it there.
Yeah.
Because it's good space. Come on, sit. First, we need to First, we need to.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm getting
cut.
hungry. Can you cook it faster?
Oh, no! If I cook it faster, I will burn in my hand. The fire will burn in my hand if I do faster. Only I should do slower. Thank you.
Next.
Wash it.
Yeah, come. Let's find the tap.
There it is.
Okay.
Let's go. Now let's make a yummy soup. Let's wait to cool to rise. The plants need soup, right?
Plants need soup?
Yes,
What?
he needs feed.
What do you mean?
He's hungry.
Okay.
Tick tock, ting. Hold on. Wow. It's for plants, right?
No, it's not for plants, it's for you, right? How does it smell?
Yummy, but it's tasty yummy, but this is அது உள்ள plants இருக்குல.
Okay.
Because there's plants inside, right?
Yes.
Because for plants.
Okay.
Oh,
It's done?
Nope. We need a lot of seed.
What?
No, it's not full yet. It's not full yet.
Okay, say bye.
No.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later. Ding. Ta.